Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start with a clean fitted sheet sized to your mattress, typically 60 by 80 inches. Check mattress depth and choose a sheet with at least 12 inches of pocket. Lay the fitted sheet over one corner and stretch diagonally toward the opposite corner. Tuck each corner under firmly and smooth fabric along the sides to remove wrinkles. Finish by pulling taut along the mattress edges for a crisp, stable foundation. Inspect all corners and sides. Adjust fit so sheet lies flat without bulges. Place the flat top sheet evenly over the bed with seams facing down toward the mattress. Align the top edge 3 inches below the headboard for a neat, tuck-ready margin. Tuck the foot end under the mattress using a breathable fold to avoid bulk. Create hospital corners by lifting the side fabric and folding excess into clean triangles. Smooth the sheet and pull sides tight before adding blanket and pillows for stability. Recheck alignment and adjust 3 inches at the head if the sheet looks uneven. Layer the duvet or blanket evenly, centering it over the bed and aligning edges. Fold the top sheet over the blanket by 4 inches for a clean finish and grip. Tuck sides using a military fold, inserting fabric tightly under the mattress each side. Use pillowcases sized to 20 by 26 inches for standard pillows and plump before placing. Wash sheets weekly using warm water and mild detergent to maintain fit and hygiene. Rotate fitted sheets by switching head and foot each week to extend fabric.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.